In front of me is iPad 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting one of your apps and then swiping up from the bottom edge of your screen to access the dock. Now decide which app you wish to use in pop-up view, hold it and drag it. Then let go. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. If you wish to move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. If you want to use more options of pop-up view, click on the same three dots and operate all of those. To close it, select Close option. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!